This is the first time they've ever really just played. Look at them. I'd say they like it in their new home. They like it in their new home. Look at that little Freya. Of course, Loki started it, didn't you, Loki? Mm-hmm. Did. This guy. Look at Sophia. Oh, yes, so vicious. What you doing, Freya? Loki says, pay attention to me. I'm more important. Uh-oh, here they come. Here they come. Here they come, waddling down the street. A bunch of puppy monkeys. Oof, oof. Oh, yes, very vicious. Is that so, Loki? Is that so? Loki pokey pants. You do the Loki pokey and you do turn yourself around. You got freckles all over your butt. Little fat Sophia in the back. What? I'm not fat. I'm stuck. Here, get out of there. There. Let me move this. This was not intended for y'all to necessarily lay on. Whoa, 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 I'm sorry. That's baby's robe. You might protest. That's so adorable. Adorable puppies. Oh my God. Oh, baby, you're missing out again, but you get to see it on video. Mama says, ugh. Ugh.